Okay, ready?
Hello, I'm Zoe Bishop, and today I'm reviewing IDO3D, Your Pen, Your World. So I'm going to open this, and we've got, what is this? It is a, what does it say? This is a map, I think. It's their instructions.
It's a stencil.
Well, it's a stencil, that's what it is, okay. And here we've got this board thing. I think what you do, you put it like this and then you trace. What we're doing is, these are the markers, or the things.
You can dump them out.
Yeah, we've got yellow, green, blue. Oh wait, this is red, this is red. You probably got blue too because it shows blue. Now, oh, what? Two reds? Oh no, this is orange, this might be red. I'm not actually sure. And then this is the flashlight. You have to put batteries in it though. It's not actually a flashlight. You go like this and then you use this to dry it. So.
Show us the tips.
What tips? This. And.
The tips.
Oh. And here we've got the instructions, and here are the tips. Let's open these. And then we've got the tips. I'm going to take them out of their bag, that way. I'm not actually sure what's the difference. I'm not sure if they're both the same. Well, we're going to find out, hopefully. So I'm going to open these. I think what we're going to do is carefully take these caps off. Oh man, can I open them? I don't think I can open them. Open them! They are super hard. What are they made out of? Okay.
Oh, you gotta twist the direction the arrow says.
Oh, that makes so much more sense. So we're going to open these and we're going to put the cap on because that just makes it extra
can you take this
safe.
out of my hand? And put the cap on? I might be able to do it.
Let's see if we can get
this they did it backwards. You're supposed to do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but these are backwards. You have to go right to get them off and left to put them on. So
that's silly.
That's unusual. But here we go.
There we go. And now that they're on,
you want to do a little, show me a little dinosaur action.
Okay, so let's take the black.
Oh, but we don't have a battery in there.
We'll be fine. Here, so.
No, that's already got the lid on. What are you doing?
I take the black off. I'm going to show you guys.
No. You squeeze it out of this.
Oh! Yeah, so I am not sure. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze it out of this. Show you how to do it. Hopefully I can get it out of there. It's like stuck or something. Let's see. I don't think it comes out.
It does. We probably missed a step.
Let's see. It says, for the directions say, you put the cap on. Oh, we didn't take the...
Oh, we didn't take the seal off.
Oh, we're so silly. Wait, isn't it righty is...
It's opposite. Yeah, they did it weird.
We already took the cap. There's no cap. Somehow.
Oh, here it comes. Okay, put that back on.
There we go.
And then, I think that black part's a lid.
Yep, I told you. So we're gonna
There you go.
Here we go. We're gonna take this black part off. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, for this one, it's righty is loosey and left is tighty. So it doesn't make no sense.
Any sense.
Any sense.
All right. All right. You get it?
Oh.
Okay, almost.
How do I?
Want to help?
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so hard. But it's going to be a lot of fun if we can get it working.
It's confusing because they...
Here, I got it.
Just twist that. Just twist the black. Just twist the black while I hold it.
There we go. I think we're getting to it. Oh, can we get the black off? It's not working.
Well, maybe. Yep.
Oh, we got it. We got it.
You leave the black on. You just loosen it.
See? And then we're gonna go like that.
Keep it still.
So,
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now, we're gonna just squeeze. Get it along.
Well, you get the gist of it. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to trace the dinosaur, and then you're going to have batteries in this thing, and then you turn it on, and then you, and then it dries, and then you have all these pieces that you put together to make a 3D dinosaur.
Or
ta-da!
Or whatever you're gonna make.